Check Out My Cards, or COMC, is a marketplace platform located in the United States. COMC is a consignment service, meaning sellers ship their cards to COMC. COMC will log the cards into their system, and sellers can then list cards for sale on COMC. Similar to Card Hobby, COMC offers a personalized warehouse space for your purchases until you are ready to ship them to yourself. The pros of using COMC to buy single sports cards are all cards listed on COMC are in possession of COMC, reducing the risk of purchasing cards. COMC provides a personalized warehouse space to hold purchases, allowing you to save on shipping costs, and COMC support can also assist in issue resolution, including a live chat service. The cons of using COMC to buy single sports cards are processing times for shipment requests, as in requests to ship cards from your personal warehouse to you, adds additional time to receive your cards.